So, meditation. Meditation is the key to a more mindful life, and by practicing, you can improve your focus and your ability to stay present in the moment, which means that you will lower your stress, you will get more work done, and be extra productive in general. As a result, you will be able to learn things easier and faster, leaving you with extra free time to create a side hustle or spend time on a hobby. First of all, the goal of a meditation session is to clear your mind. You can achieve that by focusing on only one thing. You will choose what. It can be your breathing, water dripping down, sounds of rivers, and in general, anything that creates a more relaxing atmosphere. Each session can last from 3 minutes to even an hour, depending on the availability and flexibility of your time. How to position yourself? You will have to find a position that is comfortable and it doesn't hurt you, because you will stay like that for a while. Take a seat. You can use either a chair, your bed, or even the floor. Have your feet touching the floor and rest your arms on your legs. Have your back straightened up and your jaw and muscles relaxed. This way, your body will be ready for even the longest meditation sessions. What's the way to meditate though? For beginners, I recommend using some sort of sound so they can focus better. And as you become more and more advanced, you can do it without any sounds, just only with your breath. So firstly, close your eyes, take 3 big deep breaths. And as you inhale, try to expand your stomach. Hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale and squeeze all the air out. Then, you will let your breathing come back to its natural form. Whenever a thought is coming to mind, and you realize that you aren't concentrated, immediately let that thought go and focus back on your breathing. A great helper is to count your breaths. 1, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale, till you reach 10, and then restart. During your first attempts, you will have lots of thoughts popping up, but that's okay. As you practice more, you will be more alert, and you will be in control of your mind. Finally, I want to mention Medito. It's an app that I use. I will put the link in the description if anyone wants to try. It's a completely free app where narrators guide you through every step of meditation. Also, if you got trouble sleeping or falling asleep, they even have an audio list with stories to listen to and before sleep sessions. It's great. I recommend it 100%. And I hope this video helps you understand how to meditate. If there's any question, leave a comment. I will gladly answer it if I can. Don't forget to love yourself, and peace.